Hi, my name is Robert Smallshear. Welcome to the fifth module of the Python Fundamentals course, where we look in more depth at the built-in collection types of the Python language and explore the various protocols that unite them. In this module, we'll revisit some collection types we've already explored. Str, or string, the immutable sequence of Unicode code points. List, the mutable sequence of objects. And dict, the mutable mapping from immutable keys to mutable objects. We'll also cover some new ones. Tuple, the immutable sequence of objects. Range, for arithmetic progressions of integers. And set, a mutable collection of unique immutable objects. We won't cover the bytes type further here. We've already discussed its essential differences with str, and most of what we learn about str can also be applied to bytes. This is not an exhaustive list of Python collection types, but it's completely sufficient for the overwhelming majority of Python 3 programs you'll encounter in the wild or are likely to write yourself. In this module, we'll be covering these collections in this order, and then round off with an overview of the protocols that unite these collections, which allow them to be used in consistent and predictable ways. First up is tuple.